Hey, what is happening everyone? I really hope you enjoyed that video. It's my first ever FPV edit and I'm just really stoked to finally get it out to the world. With this video, I wanted to find a way to kind of give back to you guys who constantly support me in what I'm doing. So I'm going to be giving away my GoPro Hero 5. This camera has been all around the world with me, and GoPros throughout my filmmaking career have been super critical in getting me to the point that I am now. My first ever camera was a Hero 2, and the film that you just watched was filmed on a Hero 7. So how do you win the camera? First, share this video with someone who you think might like it. Go share it on Instagram stories, Facebook, maybe send it to your grandma in an email. I think your grandma would really love the video. Secondly, just be subscribed to me on YouTube. So somewhere in this area, just subscribe to me. And third, all you have to do is leave a comment and let me know what you think of the video. Super simple, but I just wanted a way to give back to you guys and just say thank you for all the support. I'll be choosing a winner on September 29th, which is exactly 3 weeks from today. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
It's all good.